Imagine hiring an employee who never sleeps, never asks for a raise, and executes complex business tasks with 100% accuracy. In 2026, this isn't science fiction, it's an agentic workflow. While most people are still chatting with AI, the top 1% are building collaborative agents to handle their lead generation, market research, and content distribution. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I built a 24-hour AI employee using N8N, and I'll give you 3 specific examples you can copy right now. Let's start with a real-world example, the Scout. If you're a freelancer or agency owner, finding clients is the silent trap that eats your time. This agent automates the entire prospecting process, freeing you up to focus on closing deals and delivering value. The process begins with a trigger. An N8N agent scans Google Maps for new financial consulting firms in Florida. This is the digital equivalent of pounding the pavement. But it happens automatically while you sleep, targeting fresh businesses that are most likely in need of your services. Next comes the intelligence. The agent doesn't just find a company name. It uses Perplexity to find the CEO's name and their recent LinkedIn posts. This step is crucial because it transforms a cold outreach into a warm, relevant conversation. Finally, we have the action. It crafts a personalized email mentioning their specific post and saves it as a draft in your Gmail. This isn't a generic template. It's a hyper-personalized message that shows you've done your homework. You wake up, review 10 drafts, and hit send. That is workflow autonomy. You're no longer bogged down by the tedious work of prompting. You're the final decision maker in a highly efficient, automated system. For my finance-focused viewers, meet the Sentinel. Keeping up with the 24/7 news cycle is impossible. The market moves on headlines, rumors, and data releases that happen at all hours. By the time you read about it in the morning paper, the opportunity has often vanished. The Sentinel is designed to give you an informational edge by processing vast amounts of data in real time. The workflow for this agent is deceptively simple, yet powerful. This agent monitors RSS feeds from financial news sites, regulatory bodies, and industry blogs for keywords like interest rates or CBDC updates. It casts a wide net, capturing hundreds of articles, press releases, and reports. But information without insight is just noise. That's where the filter comes in. It uses Claude 3.5 to summarize 50 articles into a 3-bullet-point brief delivered directly to your Discord at 8 a.m. This concise, curated intelligence brief is your secret weapon. This provides the wealth edge. The agent is trained to identify asymmetric risks before they hit the mainstream news. These are low-probability, high-impact events that can create massive opportunities or devastating losses. While others are reacting to yesterday's news, you're positioned to act on tomorrow's trends. You aren't just reading news. You're processing intelligence. This is how sophisticated investors stay ahead of the curve, transforming information overload into a strategic advantage. Finally, for creators, the Ghostwriter. Creating high-quality content is only half the battle. The other half is distribution, and it's a relentless grind. You can spend hours crafting the perfect video, only for it to be seen by a fraction of its potential audience. Because you have the time to repurpose and promote it across every platform. The Ghostwriter agent solves this problem completely. The process is initiated the moment a new piece of content goes live. Once I upload this video, an agent automatically pulls the transcript using an API. This raw text becomes the source material for a cascade of automated content creation. Next is the multiplier. The agent doesn't just copy and paste. It intelligently reframes the content for different platforms. It turns the video into a 10-post Twitter thread, complete with relevant hashtags and mentions. It then drafts a more professional, in-depth LinkedIn article based on the core concepts. Finally, it assembles a weekly newsletter summarizing the key takeaways for my email subscribers. The result is a force multiplier for your creative output. I do the creative work once. My agents distribute it everywhere. This creates multiple touch points for your audience, reinforces your message, and drives traffic back to your primary content from all corners of the internet. This is how you build an AI stream of traffic without extra effort, allowing you to scale your brand and impact without scaling your workload. Building these agents isn't about being a coder, it's about being an orchestrator. Your value isn't in writing lines of code, but in designing the systems and workflows that leverage AI to achieve your business objectives. You are the conductor of a digital workforce that operates with precision and scale. If you found today's breakdown on building a 24-hour AI employee useful, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to AI Stream Vision. It helps the algorithm push this information to more creators and leaders looking to achieve true workflow autonomy. Which of these 3 agents do you need most in your business right now? The Scout, the Sentinel, or the Ghostwriter? If you have any questions about the N8N nodes I used today, leave a comment below. I personally respond to as many as I can. Let's build the future together.